Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to pull out your dash and replace your backlighting with the blue LEDs. First thing to get done, we're going to need to remove this bottom panel here. You can take the screws out of the bottom, but you don't necessarily have to. Just grab it and pull firmly on both sides, and it will pivot down far enough for you to reach. Excuse all my train horns and light bars and stuff here. But there's going to be a bolt right here we need to take out, and then the one on the other side. And I think it's a 7mm. I could be wrong. That seems like it. It's a 7mm. My phone down for a second. Alright. Alright, so we're just gonna remove this 7mm bolt here. And it is easier to access these bolts if you pull that bottom panel off. However, I have all that train horn stuff in here and everything, and I really don't feel like checking all the switches. So I'm just going to leave it on. Alright, remove that one bolt. And come to the other side, and there's going to be another bolt just like it. Go ahead and remove that bolt as well. Alright, and then now right here where your steering wheel is, you're going to see your flasher button, and right behind it you'll see a line. Now that piece has to come out, so just grab it anywhere and just give it a tug, and it will come out, and it will look like that whenever it's out. Alright, now your dash is ready to remove. So just grab it from the bottom here, and just firmly pull one side, and then go to the other side and do the same. And it will pop out like that. And then there's clips that actually, I need to get my truck, hold on. There's clips on the top that actually slide up underneath. So once you get these two bottom pieces popped out where it pivots up, just grab it and pull it like that. And then this will come out. And if you see a wire laying here, don't freak out. It does not connect to anything. I think it's just an extra wire. I don't remember what exactly they said it was to. But it just fits in the back of this right here. And there's no switch. So don't think you pulled anything out because you didn't. Alright, so now we have the cluster out like it is. And it's the same size bolts for all of this. So now I'll go ahead and remove the 4 bolts for your gauge cluster here. And these are a little pain in the butt because they don't really want to come out too well. And whenever you retighten these bolts, I'm going to go ahead and say it, don't over-tighten them. If you over-tighten them, then when you remove, well, stuff like that will happen, and you'll crack your gauge cluster. So I'll obviously over-tighten that bolt right there. And if it cracks, it's not the end of the world. The whole thing is not cracked. There's still a good strong backing plate on it that holds it in. That's what really holds it in. But these bolts are fairly long, so if you think it's coming out and it won't, the bolts are fairly long, so you gotta work with them.